Welcome to YOUCANIC. Today here in YOUCANIC we have our 2019 Nissan Sentra. We're going to go over how you'd remove the window. So to start with, we have removed the door panel, and that way we have access to the window, or to get that part done. This is the window right here. I have it at 3.5 inches, anywhere between 3 to 4 inches up there from the weather stripping. 3 to 4 inches from the weather stripping measurement gets you these bolts, especially this one, aligned where you can undo it, and then that way you don't need to rehook anything up and figure out how to raise and lower the window. Okay, so the next you're going to want to pull this plastic away from the door, and then because this it's going to be held on here a little bit by this handle up top here. So this handle up top is needs to be routed through the plastic, and so we're going to undo this. This is a size 10 millimeter. And then pull it toward the outside of the car. So to remove this handle completely, you pop the tab, move that, and then pull it out, and that's the ball one. And then the top one is just a 90 pin, same thing, pop the thing here, and then bring it, and you'll be able to pop those connectors off and undone. And now you'll be able to pull these wires through there and be able to just pull and just kind of set that aside over there. And then to remove the glass, we need to remove these two bolts here that are a size 10 millimeter. Alright, so the two bolts have been removed, and now to get that glass out, what you're going to do is you're just going to pull it up, tip it at an angle, and then pull the whole piece and remove the whole piece of glass out of the vehicle. So that's how you remove the glass from your 2019 Nissan Sentra. Thanks for watching YOUCANIC, where you can be the mechanic.